Hi, it's Barbara and welcome back to Wiki Design. Today I'm going to show you how to create a page on your website that displays all of the items you have for sale in your WooCommerce store. With the holidays approaching, it's likely that you're putting some items on sale and doing some promotions, so I thought it would be a good time to create this tutorial so you know how to create a page that displays all of those sale items. So let's get into it. I went ahead and created a shop on a testing server. I put in a few items. This is very default. The layout is pretty simple, just using everything from my default theme. Your site will probably look a lot better and you'll probably have a lot more products, but just wanted to create a quick example so I can walk you through all of the steps. So you can see my 4 items in here. The first thing that I need to do is put some items on sale. In order to do that, I'll go to products in my WordPress dashboard. Now you can see I've already put one item on sale. I put this scarf from $15 to $10. The easiest way to do this is to just select the item that you want to put on sale and go to quick edit. Under where it says sale price, you'll just put in the number that you want and then you'll hit update. So you can see now our beanie is $10. Now what we have to do is create a category for all of our sale items. In order to do that, we'll go to products and then categories. I'm going to call my category sale and I'll make the slug the same, sale. We don't need to fill in parent category or description. I'm just going to hit add new category and now we've added our category to the website. What I can do from here is actually view this. So I'm going to open this up in a new tab and you can see right now it's blank. There are no products that were matching the selection, and that's because we have to still categorize our sale items. So let's go back to our products and categorize the items that are on sale. The easiest way to do this, especially if you have a lot of items in your store that you want to put on sale, is to use the bulk action function. So you're going to select all of the items that you want in this category. You'll go to bulk actions, hit edit, and then hit apply. You can see the product categories here. So we'll scroll down until we hit sale. We'll select that and then we'll hit update. And now both of these items have the category of sale. If we go back to our page and refresh it, you can see now we have those 2 items displaying. If you can imagine, if you have hundreds of products, it's going to be a lot easier to do it with the bulk actions than having to go to each product individually and click the category. So definitely recommend using the bulk action when you have a lot of products that you want to put on sale. Okay, so let's go back to this page. You can see this is what it looks like. Now obviously you can design this however you want, and depending on the theme that you have, things will look different. Like I said, I just use the default theme for this, so everything's pretty basic, but you can see how it works. Now what we have to do is add this to our menu so people can visit it. If we go here to our menu, you can see we have a couple links in here: shop, shopping cart, account, and checkout. I want to add something for this page. So I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard. In order to add the link to our menu, we're going to need to go to Appearance and then Menus. If we go down here where it says Custom Links, we can paste in the link to our page and then add some link text. If we go back to our page, this is the link that we'll need to copy and paste into our menu. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Menu, and then paste that URL here. And then I'm going to put sale as my link text. And then I'll hit add to menu. And you can rearrange this however you want. I'm just gonna put it at the top and then I'll hit save menu. If we go back to the front end and click on our menu, you can see now the sale page is showing. What's really nice about this is that you can have this page up all the time and kind of show and hide it whenever you are running sale promotions. So it's a good way to kind of keep everything organized. And as you put new products on sale, as long as you have that sale category, you can just tag things that you want to go on sale under that category, and they'll display automatically on this page. So that's how you create a sale page in WooCommerce. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure you like and share it with other people that you think could benefit from this video, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel because we make new videos here every week. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.